Kemudian yang kedua, metric number A21832444. Omnichannel retailing is a strategic approach integrating multiple channels for a unified shopping experience. Online website, mobile app, social media, and physical store. Seamless navigation between online and offline touchpoint. Benefit of omnichannel retailing is extreme convenience. Customer can easily switch between channels. Next is increased accessibility. Can shopping anytime or anywhere. Also improve customer engagement, better interaction with the audience. Important of customer certification in omnichannel is evaluating performance. Assess how will business meet customer expectation. Next is consistency, maintain service quality and product availability across all channels. Overall brand experience, ensure a cohesive brand statement. First is key aspect identifies is personalized interaction, consistent messaging, and ease of channel switching. Next is exiting gaps, limited understanding of how specific omnichannel strategy impact overall certification. Next is lack of comprehensive insight into holistic omnichannel certification. Next is need to deeper exploration of AI and machine learning rules. Address gaps in understand omnichannel customer certification. Synthesize existing knowledge and explore new insight. Is provided actionable strategy for optimizing omnichannel experience. Objective of this research is to examine how omnichannel retailer utilize and manage several virtual technology. Second is to provide a certificate online shopping experience of the study is exchange customer experience in omnichannel retail. Importance of virtual technology. Utilization of VR, AR, and emerging technology. Next is exchange customer experience across multiple channels. Next is elements with AISA model, attention, interest, shares, action, share framework, strategic implementation, and strategic channels integration. Next is adapting to customer behavior, changing preference for personalized experience, simulation, use of diverse channels by consumer, is seamless customer experience, ensuring consistency and continued across channels.
Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Nurul Ain binti Hassan. My matric number 821-83409. Underpinning theory. This approach emphasizes the significance of giving customer a consistent brand experience and a smooth customer experience. Sugiyama and Andrea 2011. An omnichannel setting that may improve the total customer experience, said by Brandon's Consulting 2016. According to Sugiyama and Andrea 2011, customer may skip or repeat any of the 5 classic stages of the AISAS model, which are attention, interest, search, action, and share. The DV is the effect its value depends on change in the independent variable. Consumer satisfaction. Omnichannel users are assumed to be more satisfied than traditional users due to the diverse range of service, experience, and accessibility that are provided across platform. The accessibility of product information, the span of delivery, and the general caliber of customer care can all have an impact on customer satisfaction. Research can use a variety of techniques, including survey, interview, and the analysis of online comment and review to gauge customer happiness. The degree of satisfaction or fulfillment that customer feel following a smooth, multi-channel interaction with and consumer satisfaction using omnichannel. A three-dimension 3D environment that enable people to explore and interact with it using their sense is known as VR. More affordable software solutions can be used to create more basic form of VR, which are feasible for small and medium-sized business like Google Cardboard and ViewMaster VR for Bardi 2016. Bardi 2016 claimed that a simulated world is built by computer technology to generate this VR. Recent research yang 2017, Trico 2017 has determined 80% of Gen Z consume are more likely to visit store that offer VR technology, and then Gen Z has a $44 billion purchasing power.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nurul Ain binti Mazhar, 8182946. Second independent variable is a visual fitting room. The visual fitting room use AR, AI, and 3D modeling to let customer visually try on clothes and accessories. This technology allows users to see how items fit and look on their bodies without physical trials. VFR enhances customer satisfaction in omnichannel retail by providing a seamless and personalized shopping experience similar to that of physical store. It boosts consumer confidence, increase sales, and reduce labor costs. Despite challenges like the need for precise sizing and consumer apprehension, education consumer on VFR use can promote adoption and improvement the overall shopping experience. Third independent variable is a visual salespeople. Visual salespeople are AI-powered digital assistant that helps customer by offering personalized recommendation, answering questions, and guiding purchase decision through chatbot, voice interface, or AR. By improving consistent, personalized attraction, visual sales people achieve customer satisfaction and engagement in both online and offline retail environment. Effective use of this technology can lead to increased consumer loyalty and a seamless shopping. This is a framework. There are two types of variable, which is a dependent variable and independent variable. Dependent variable for this study is a consumer satisfaction using omnichannel. For independent variable, there are three variables, which is visual reality, visual fitting room, and visual sales.
My metric number is 8183329. So I will explain the research design and method. So this study has identified how a researcher is able to handle a various problem in the study logically and reasonable by combining various research components using the framework of techniques and methods. Therefore, the research can be separated into two groups, namely the qualitative methods and quantitative methods. So our group used quantitative research from the result of the study because it emphasized more on the objective of understanding the exploring the independent variable. They are virtual reality, virtual room, salesperson, and dependent variable is consumer satisfaction in omnichannel. We go to the research instrument. The questionnaire instrument was just and developed based on previous study from several professional authors as mentioned below. In the questionnaire, there are 5 sections in the questionnaire. Namely, section A is related to the respondent background information such as gender, age, race, and marital status, while section B refers to the user satisfaction with the use of omnichannel. Section C refers to the virtual reality VR. Section D deals with the virtual fitting room, and finally section E refers to the salesperson. Part B, section B and section E is measured to the light of scale method, which is from the scale of strongly disagree and strongly agree. Next, we go to the scale of measurement. There are 3 types of the scale of measurement, namely the scale of nominal, the scale of ordinal, and the last is the scale of interval. The first is the scale of nominal. This method is threatening, is very simple method. This is because the objective of this scale is to identify a study and is also the scale with the weakest measurement level of 4. In addition, the gender and the marital status are items in the questionnaire for the section A in this study. The number 2 is the scale of ordinal. The section A of this study questionnaire, there are 2 questions that we categorize. For example, in this study, we use question about the respondent age and race. The last but not least is the scale of interval. The 5-point Likert scale survey is one of the most commonly used interval scale question. This is because the goal of using Likert scale for this question is to determine whether they strongly disagree or strongly agree using on the scale of 1 to 5. Okay, next we go to the statistical data of analysis. The statistical data analysis is standing for performing various statistical process. The data used in the statistical study is mainly quantitative. This quantitative data also includes descriptive data such as data survey and data observation. It is also not feasible if one does not have statistical knowledge in any kind of statistical analysis tool. Furthermore, there are various packages that can be used in research to analyze data statistics. So the statistical data system, SAS, statistical package of the social science, SPSS, StatSoft, and other commonly used tools. So that's all from me. Thank you.
My name is Nurul binti Samiran. Number is 828 In our study on customer satisfaction with the malicious dynamic omnichannel retail market, we focus on how advanced technologies such as virtual reality and virtual fitting influence consumer experience. The target population comprises all users of this omnichannel service, but our analysis is based on sample of 384 respondents. Sample size guided by Craigie and Morgan recommendation offer a reliability basis for drawing conclusion about the broader population. We specifically examine Malaysia user, a significant group given Malaysia leading role in Asian e-commerce, where 88% of purchases are made through omnichannel platform. Employee voluntary sampling participants self-select through online survey posted on social media, providing rich feedback from those deeply engaged with the technology. Although this method can introduce bias, as it may attract those with strong opinion, it remains valuable for exploratory research, offering insight into user experiences and satisfaction level. Focusing on the impact of advanced technology like virtual reality, virtual fitting room, and virtual salespeople, Our study aims to understand how these innovations are reshaping consumer experience and satisfaction. To gather comprehensive insight, we will distribute 384 online questionnaires to diverse range of users familiar with this technology. Following data collection, we will conduct an exploratory data analysis to identify initial trend and pattern, and then perform detailed statistical analysis using SPSS. This includes descriptive statistics and multiple regression analysis to examine how each technology influences customer satisfaction. Our investigation delves into how virtual reality enhances engagement, how virtual fitting room affect purchase decision, and how virtual salespeople improve the shopping experience. The ultimate goal is to provide additional insight that can help retailers optimize their operational strategy to better meet consumer needs and enhance satisfaction.